113 degrees Fahrenheit right now in the beautiful Arizona desert. No problem. Well, you stay moving. It's really not too bad. The air is hot. The air itself feels like a hairdryer blowing on you when it's this hot. It's alright, dude. Don't worry about it.
I'm really sorry.
It's alright. Shit happens. You gotta watch those things like a hawk. There's nobody in it.
I hate so whenever
I was coming up behind one this morning. He's like sitting right where you're at. He's coming to a stop, and he just dives towards the other side of his lane. It freaks me out, dude.
I saw one, there was somebody right here, and they just stopped, like, and then, like they just started slowing down because he sent somebody on the side of the road.
It freaks me out, man.
Oh, it's all messed up.
It's kind of hot, dude. Not gonna lie. See you, man. Take it easy. Don't get mad, guys. They're not looking for you. Nobody's trying to hit you. They're just not looking for you.